These are 5 skincare mistakes that could worsen your hyperpigmentation. I know almost everybody is dealing with hyperpigmentation or have dealt with hyperpigmentation at one point or the other. If it's not your face, then it's probably a part of your body, especially as Black people. We have to, deal with hyperpigmentation at one point or the other. And because of how sensitive and how common this issue of hyperpigmentation is, a lot of people spend so much on getting rid of their hyperpigmentation, and in most cases they're usually expensive products because, again, we know how hyperpigmentation is. So in this video we'll talk about some of these mistakes. You might not even know you are making them. Let's get right into it. Hello everyone, my name is Damilola. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please do not let this be the last time. Quickly, I'm going to get into these 5 skincare mistakes you are making that could worsen your hyperpigmentation. And the number one thing on this list is you do not know your skin type. I feel like every time I come here and I talk about, things like this, I need to talk about the fact that you need to know your skin type. Guys, this cannot be overemphasized. I don't even mind talking about it in every of my videos. You need to know your skin type. It's just like you have malaria and you're using medicine for just a headache. What about the fever? What about other things that are causing the malaria? I know I'm making sense. So it's just the same thing with knowing your skin type. If you have an oily and acne prone skin and you keep using products that are meant for dry skin, you won't do anything because these things are not targeted at your skin. They are not meant for your skin type. A video will pop up now. It will help you to know your skin type. Guys, it's less than 6 minutes and it's so explanatory. Make sure you watch it, then come back. I want to believe you've gone to watch it. Welcome back. The second skincare mistake you're making that could worsen your hyperpigmentation is ignoring the root cause of your hyperpigmentation. And in this case, I'm going to talk about the face and the body, because I know most times we focus on the face, but whether I like it or not, the rest of the body is also, supposed to get, I believe it's supposed to get the same love as the face gets. So for the face, most times what causes hyperpigmentation is usually acne. Whether you treat it or you don't treat it, most times it leaves hyperpigmentation. If you don't treat it, in this case means even if you are treating it and you keep your hand does not leave the spots, you keep busting it, it will leave spots on your face and you have to deal with it later. So ignoring the root cause, which in this case I have mentioned is acne. There are also other things that could cause hyperpigmentation on the face, but the most important thing is to know the reason why you are having hyperpigmentation. If you know the exact thing that is causing this hyperpigmentation, then you know the kind of products to get that will target the root cause, that will not make you have acne again. And in this case, I would suggest salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a form of BHA that is known to clean the pores very well. It gets rid of, future acne. The pores, because most times when we break out or when we have acne on our faces, is usually because our pores are clogged, and that's where salicylic acid comes in. There are also other products that you can use to get rid of your acne depending on your skin type. So number one, know your skin type, and number two, you need to factor out the root cause of the hyperpigmentation. The third skincare mistake that could worsen your hyperpigmentation is over exfoliating the skin. I know that most times when people want to treat it's not even most times. When people are dealing with hyperpigmentation, what is usually recommended is exfoliating the skin, and it's not bad. It's what I also do. However, overdoing it, there's something as over exfoliating the skin that could cause that could worsen your hyperpigmentation. For example, you have a night or a routine that you tag exfoliating routine or exfoliating night. That same night you use all the BHAs in the world, all the AHAs in the world. In case you don't know, AHAs and BHAs are forms of chemical exfoliants. You use them, then after that you go in with your retin-A. No break, no nothing. I mean, you want to get rid of your hyperpigmentation, right? But what people don't know is overusing these things will worsen your hyperpigmentation. It could cause irritation, and in trying to get rid of the irritation, you start dealing with another hyperpigmentation. So let's be careful not to over exfoliate the skin, and let's be careful not to use products that are not supposed to be used together. I'm going to give an example of that. Most times when you exfoliate the skin, you are advised not to use your retinol or any form of retinoid in that same routine, and that's the reason is not far-fetched. It's because it will irritate your skin, especially if you are not sure that your skin can tolerate it, especially if your skin has not built tolerance, it will irritate your skin. So let's be careful of over exfoliating our skins. I said all of this to say that because some products have been tagged brightening actives or brightening agents or brightening whatever, doesn't mean that you should overuse them. These things can trigger inflammation. Like I said in the beginning, it could cause irritation, and all of that will worsen your hyperpigmentation. The number 4 point is quite close to this, and it's also a form of exfoliation, and it is scrubbing, trying to scrub away your hyperpigmentation. The example that is coming to mind now is using body scrubs or regular body scrubs, those ones that have particles in them, body scrubs, body polish for your face. Guys, please don't make that mistake. I beg you in the name of God. Those products are not meant for the face. I know there are some brands that will tag for body and face. If it is scrub, please don't apply scrubs on your face. Apricots, kiniko, they have so many names. Please don't use body scrubs on your face. They are body scrubs for a reason, and they have particles for a reason. Especially if you have a sensitive skin, these things will irritate your skin. Then you compound your problems. It's hyperpigmentation you are finding solution to. Now your skin barrier will be compromised in the process, and you start looking for ways to treat that too. And the thing about skin barrier is once your skin barrier is damaged, nothing works. Nothing at all. You need to make sure it is properly healed before you can start doing anything again. And also for the rest of the body, I know they are called body scrubs, but please don't overuse them. What do I mean by overusing them? Using your body scrub every day of the week. Come on. For starters, you can do 3 to 4 times in a week. In fact, I want to tell you that by the time you get used to it and it becomes a part of your routine, there's probability that you might not even remember to use it up to 2 times in a week. And I'm talking from my own experience. But that doesn't mean you should forget to scrub your body totally. For starters, it's usually advised to exfoliate the body 3 to 4 times in a week. In fact, the same goes for the face. All of your actives or exfoliant, please don't do more than 3 to 4 times in a week. And lastly, the 5th skincare mistake that could worsen your hyperpigmentation is keeping your sunscreen. I know sometimes people will say, after I used it in the morning, it doesn't matter if I've been outside or the cocoa is, if after I said we should use our sunscreen, the cocoa is after I used it. It's not like that. If you're going to be outside in the sun, if you're going to be out and about, please make sure you reapply your sunscreen. It is so important. I think I should even make a video on how to reapply the sunscreen. Yeah, I think I should do that. You just look out for that video. It will most likely be on my shorts. Yeah, guys, please, if you are going to be outside, make sure you reapply your sunscreen. A lot of people when indoors do not use their sunscreen. I know you are guilty. I know some of you are guilty. People say, yeah, it's only for the sun. I've not been in the sun. I don't think I need to. Girl, boy, you need to use your sunscreen. Do you people know that UV rays can penetrate through the window? And now, they said blue light from our screen can also increase pigmentation. Use your sunscreen. You might not have to reapply if you are indoors as much as you would if you are outdoor, but being indoors shouldn't stop you from applying your sunscreen. Let me say that again so that you know that you're the one that said we should not use our sunscreen. If you will be indoors, you might not need to reapply your sunscreen over and over compared to when you will be outdoor. However, in any circumstance, whether you be indoor or whether you be out, do not skip your sunscreen. And that's it for today's video. Very simple, concise, and straight to the point. Are there some of these mistakes that you make? Are there some that you've been making? Are there some that you know in your heart of heart? This is the reason why my hyperpigmentation is not healed. This is the reason why I've been going in circles with my hyperpigmentation. You know that is it, but I didn't mention it. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment. Like I said, make sure you share if you can, and turn on your post notification for more amazing videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay jiggy, take care of yourselves, and be patient with your skin. Be graceful to your skin. Bye guys. Mwah.